Today I'm sharing with you my second box from Hungryroot.com. Vegan and gluten-free easy meals delivered to your door and just take a little bit of assembly. So here's what's going to be in this box. We have the tofu scramble as well as the Italian chickpea quinoa bowl, which I already made and it was very tasty. Ginger yuba quinoa bowl, which I didn't end up making. I made something else. Kale greens, lentil mix, the crunchy carrot lentil mix, the sweet potato pad thai, which was excellent. I enjoyed it thoroughly. A creamy corn cauliflower risotto, a kale cauliflower burrito bowl, very similar, and the almond chickpea cookie dough, which did not make it to the cookie sheet, as well as the coconut lemon pie bites. Those are in my freezer. I have not gotten into those yet. So, Hungryroot does a great job of packaging everything, as you can see. Here's the ginger yuba noodles, the coconut lemon pie bites, and also the vacuum sealed tofu nuggets. I have not tried the tofu nuggets yet. I'm interested to see what they taste like. Not the biggest fan of tofu. This is how the quinoa comes packaged. It's pre-cooked, which is super convenient, and that particular one had the artichoke. So that was the snap peas and the super salad blend, whatever it's called. Another package of quinoa. This one also has the artichoke topping. Here's the cauliflower rice, and you can buy this in the store. I've seen it before, but it's great to be included in this kit. There's 2 of them for the 2 separate dishes. And this is how their salads come packed. That's I believe that was the corn one. This is the Thai peanut sauce, which was really tasty. And I also got this spinach and artichoke dip, which I don't think I was really expecting, but I guess it's to be used with the pea snaps that are left over from the pad thai. That was the kale pesto. That is the almond chickpea cookie dough, which is ridiculously good. Another package of lemon pie bites. And here are the sweet potato ribbons that are used for the sweet potato pad thai. Here is another salad. That's the Edamame Salad. Everything's packaged so nice. This is the black bean salad, which is actually my favorite salad that I've had so far from Hungryroot. And a chickpea medley. That one was good too. I think the carrot, the crunchy carrot, and the black bean are my favorite. Last is the quinoa with the red pepper. That's for the yuba noodle dish that I didn't end up making. Sometimes with Hungryroot, you look in the fridge and you're not sure what to make. Here are the ice packs. These are real good ice packs, so I'm definitely going to save those for if I ever need an ice pack. And that's what I got in my second Hungryroot box. And now, here's a message from our sponsor.
And we're rolling in 3, 2.
Hi, I'm Kelly, and welcome to the Home Shopping Network. Today we have a lovely selection of items for you, including electronic devices. But first, let's head over to the fashion corner and see what we have over there. So today we're featuring the pleather collection. And here you see it's perfect for all seasons, and it even comes with accessories. And it comes in men's and women's. So 3 payments of $19.99 could be yours, plus shipping and handling. We'll see you after this commercial break.
Cut.
Sorry, I just had to put that in there. So overall, I've been really impressed with Hungryroot so far. My second box, I think, had tastier items than the first box. What's great about Hungryroot is that I can go on there and offer a rating for the different dishes that I got and see if I want to have them again. And I've also discovered that you can go rogue on some Hungryroot dishes. Because the recipes are all in the same book for the entire month, it can sometimes be a little confusing when you look in the fridge and you think, what am I even making? Like, what are these things supposed to be going into. But the website has the best pictures and gives you a really good idea of what you're supposed to be making that week. Overall, I've been super impressed with Hungryroot. I've definitely been eating a lot cleaner since doing it, and it's been teaching me how to cook this way. So now I feel like if I continue with the box, it will be a luxury item. If I want, I can recreate these recipes on my own, but I couldn't have done that without getting the box and tasting the recipes and just kind of setting my January off on the right foot. So I hope that you would like to try Hungryroot, and if you want to, I can give you $30 off your first order. So go ahead and use the link below in the description box to get $30 off your first order from hungryroot.com. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button for more videos in 2018, and remember to eat well and live well.